Hello, thanks a lot for stopping by How to Cook Great. Now if you like what you see, there's over 3,000 other cooking videos on our channel. Give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and I'll try and get back to you. Okay, let's get on with this one. So we've got some delicious fall off the bone lamb shanks there. That really is super tender. And rice. Now that rice is possibly some of the tastiest rice you're ever going to try. It really is delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So here I've got two fantastic, beautiful lamb shanks. That's about 1 kilo, or just over 1 kilo actually, which is 2.2 pounds. So, you know, they're just over a pound each, roughly. We're going to get these into the pressure cooker because we're going to get this to be absolutely fall off the bone and beautiful. So with that, we're going to add in 2 teaspoons of these guys. Chili powder, turmeric, cumin, and black lemon powder. Additionally, we're going to add some bay leaf, cinnamon, green cardamom. I've got about 6 of those, and 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds. Let's get moving. This is going to be fantastic. So I've got my pressure cooker there, and I've got olive oil in there. And I'm not being shy with the olive oil. There's probably 6 or 7 tablespoons there. We're going to drop all the whole spices in. Bay leaf, cinnamon, cumin seeds, and green cardamom. I've just put the heat on here, so it's just heating through. Now what we're going to do is we're going to drop in our lovely lamb shanks. And for about 5 or 6 minutes, I'm just going to throw them around as much as I can in there, just to get a little tiny bit of colour on them. I mean, we're not going to get that much colour on it, but just a tiny amount. So I'll be back in 5 or 6 minutes. So we've got a small amount of colour on there. We're now going to add salt. We're going to add black pepper. Then we're going to drop in our spices, 2 teaspoons each. We've got black lemon powder, chili, turmeric, and cumin. Now I'm going to add some water. You could add stock if you want. It might be a bit noisy, this. Fantastic. Right, we're going to get the lid on this now. Pressure it out for, I would imagine, about 20-25 minutes. Okay, so what we're going to do now, look at that, really beautiful already. We're going to fetch them out, set them aside. Do not throw away this water. This is absolute gold. So, separated 2, you can see our lovely lamb shanks are there. What we're going to do with those, we're going to put them in the oven and give them a little quick high heat blast. There's the water that we cooked the lamb in. We're going to use that to make our rice. That is absolute, just like I said, gold. Really beautiful seasoned water. Okay, so we're now in a nice large pot. I've got some oil in there. I'm using olive oil. I've got about 3 tablespoons. I've just put the heat on. We're on above medium heat. 1 cup of onions cut nice and small. 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic. Now if you wanted, you could get some like small carrots, you know, cut the carrot as small as the onion and get that in as well. We're going to go a teaspoon of turmeric, salt, and we're going to cook this for about 4 to 5 minutes. So, 1 cup of onions, 1 tablespoon of garlic, olive oil, 3 tablespoons. What we're going to do now, we've cooked that for 3 or 4 minutes. So next up, here I've got 4 cups of basmati rice that I've washed 3 or 4 times in some cold water. And then we've got our wonderful, lovely stock that we cooked the lamb in. What we're going to do now is let that reach boiling point, and then I'm going to turn the heat right down, get a lid on it and let it go. It's going to be about 9 to 10 minutes. So look, there's the lamb shanks that we cooked. I've just put some olive oil on them. They're going to go into a really hot oven, maximum heat oven, again for about 10 minutes. Okay, so I've just turned the heat off. Let's jump in there, let some steam out. And what we have there is some of the tastiest rice you've ever had. That really is lovely. Let me get in there. That was remarkable. Okay, I'm going to plate that. I'm going to fetch the lamb, which we give a nice 10-minute blast in a hot heat. Drop that on top. Doesn't that look remarkable? Okay, we're going to finish this off with a little bit of chopped parsley or cilantro. That's up to you. I'm using parsley here, actually. Flat leaf parsley. And then some dried fried onions. Just a few there, just to sprinkle it out and make it look and taste divine. There you go. That is delicious. I love that. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe. Keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.